Oh, wonderful. Oh, it's time to do this again. You know, I always miss all of you. And I have this most important question. Uh, of course, it's about vampires, because being a vampire, I know so much about vampire. Anyway, my question, I have a very important question for all of you. Um, Anyway, vampire through the ages, they have changed so much. And today's vampire, they have the crazy hair, or some of them they don't even watch. Not watch, wash. I know the accent is not so easy to understand that it's not so easy for me to understand either. Anyway, so vampires through the ages, Bela Lugosi, ooh, and all the ways up to Dark Shadows with Jonathan Fried. And who could forget that wonderful ring he was wearing? Everybody wanted to buy it, all the little kids and all the five and dime. Oh, I want that ring. And then they put I think in Dark Shadows he puts the poison. But most of the little kids, they just put the vitamins. The Flintstone vitamin, Flintstones, we have the Flintstones. Anyway, so what my question is, today's vampire or back then, and of course today we have the Twilight Moon, and none of those people, they never wash their hair, they sleep in their clothes, and they smell, of course they sleep in their clothes, vampires, that's right. Anyway, I'd really like to know, who's your favorite vampire? What, I'm just a curious person, a vampire, you're just your everyday vampire. Anyways, if you like, put a comment there or post a video or something like that. Anyway, remember, you must do it before the sun comes up. So get started. I can't wait to hear what you say. Have a good night.